Good afternoon, mo welcome lo one navala panel discussion, Sunday panel discussion storan blimi lo today long convention center lo Port Villa lo Vanuatu, and you service you stop long less than 20 days no more before you co custom votes blimi or before you participate or taken part long national referendum, first ever national referendum lo history long Republic lo Vanuatu, especially after lo independence where you kasim lo year 1980, and this for national referendum by me taken place on 29 May 2024. Now, just before you go ahead with them discussion, do me lot today, me like him making one friendly reminder no more. Igolo YUMI everyone. Ikat all for government, hemi stop trying to help him YUMI and also Parliament the YUMI, hemi put one agenda forward, ya YUMI come in, YUMI participate lehem, we hemi national referendum and law calendar long electoral or Vanuatu electoral office in relation long this for national referendum proxy. Hemi close lo this coming Monday, we hemi tomorrow. So make them sure say suppose you got all families where you live with them disability or all kata woli sick or all vala tumas or no save make them or no save ko kasem lo polling station lo time lo vote lo number 29 May. Please make them sure say you apply or make them sure say you make them sure say only kat all kata proxies or kata I available lo somebody save vote lo behalf lo kata hemi alotis fla national referendum. Discussion blimi lo today or panel blimi lo today hemi focus mainly lo instability where you service say outlaw political instability and now referendum may come in but taken place or out of political instability and now government or parliament of Republic lo Vanuatu lo last year and pin come in long make him sure say and make one decision lo help them more control them political system lo Vanuatu help them all get different or put to mean all kata legislation or put to mean all kata laws, pass all kata bills lo parliament lo ensure say you may no katumas instability. And me one start, you may service say plantel you may stop trying belong stop talem say no be 17A mo be hemi no stop him nothing instability, but 17A mo be hemi one step plus stop him one MP first time before you may serve takatem all political party. Yes, suppose you may pass him 17A mobile or 29 May, political party and me still save cosem instability and minim say political party and me still save move. Suppose him no agree law and government where him stop lehem, blow make him sure say he make him changes inside long parliament or inside the government system blow me by political party and me still save move. But 17A mobile him come in blow help control him must stop him one individual MP no more blow him no move first time. And plantel you may haram say yes 26 and 52 one MP no more time hemi move government hemi save fall down 2 MP no more time hemi move government hemi save fall down. And also you may look him the political landscape history play you me hemi come in but tell him say yes ikat all keta MPs play you me where only no respect them decision the political party executive the party and all keta se level only stop move. Therefore, you make this for national referendum, blow help, you may start someplace. First step forward, you may have a control them, more help, blow manage them, or cut one stability inside long government, blow you me, and also blow help long development, hemi have a flow. Inside lo discussion, blow me lot today, but you may talk about little bit, some lo get something where instability or political instability, hemi start make him love Vanuatu, and also you may lead on towards end blow discussion, blow you me, but you may touch lo political reform where and me stop now yeah from say you may look him outlaw all get integrity bill where parliament hemi been pass him law end law last year he got a law where hemi come in where parliament hemi pass him law help control him more manage him all political parties play me Vanuatu. Registration hemi saw him say or in no registration but political history play you me hemi saw him say Vanuatu today you make got close up 70 political parties. The last election, SNAP election, you make out close up 40 plus political party will in contest them one national election or contest them election to you. But one em rule now, plolketa only come in lehem or one em plo manage molketa regulate molketa now. Parliament of Republic of Vanuatu current legislature have been passed him last year lo end long 2023 plo make him sure say only put them some guideline plo one political party suppose you want them born inside Vanuatu or STAP Vanuatu or operate inside Vanuatu but you must follow them now hemi one them where you missing out them Political Parties Registration Act. Without further ado, me like and introduce you mulketa member of panel Milo today. You make at first one new Honorable Leader of Opposition, MP Milo Malekula, Honorable Councillor Shetrak, one former speaker, and two hemi STAP lo place tool some capacity plehem also new Villa Secretary General the Rural Development Party. One new Villa party which is formed, but hemi got quite a lot of number inside too lo Parliament lo YUMI, and today YUMI got Secretary General lo hemi STAP with him YUMI lo panel. YUMI got further lo side lo Honorable Leader long opposition, hemi Mr. Bill Henry, hemi currently STAP inside long Melanesian Spearhead Group, big fella mama poti we me look out them YUMI all countries inside lo Melanesia, but lo capacity plehem lo today, hemi plo help him YUMI plo help him YUMI plo storian plehem experience plehem represent them plantel get a civil service get a civil society motu member blon community motu young fella blo YUMI how political instability hemi come in blo hemi affect them or hemi stop touch them or get or YUMI inside the society blo YUMI. To my site lomi lo place emi Mr. Podie hemi no new lo YUMI lo discussion lo YUMI save today hemi onem fate industry family plehem hemi pin only pin stop inside lo business before independence finish ikam only stop onem get a different kind business inside lo Vanuatu wife plehem hemi stop lo national real estate chest lo town former post office and to today hemi stop also chairman lo VCCI whereby hemi save help him YUMI too lo save talk lo behalf lo all kita business or private sector blo YUMI lo Vanuatu when it comes to political instability. But first time pa YUMI giving first time lo Honorable Leader belong opposition Honorable Shetrak, congratulations lo position to you, some Honorable Leader belong opposition, and to also new Villa Secretary General belong Rural Development Party RDP lo Vanuatu. Political instability. Me understand say this year or this time legislature we stop them. Me number 3 legislature you've been served tools and one lol get first young speaker of Parliament. And two, you've been holding some position inside the government, and two, you've been staff two inside some look at different parliamentary committees. Low time, the youth time, you stop as a member of the parliament. Suppose you have a story and start a more story and discussion, do you know, side political instability, experience, play you, lo 3-year term, play you inside the parliament.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I want to tell them thank you, lo opportunity way. You less have a giving blow, you less have a part blow, panel this afternoon. Yes, me serve law parliament law 3 consecutive mandate, start from 2016, kasem today. Me start also former speaker of the parliament. Now, me been got occasion blow me serve law 2 government also state minister. And we so fortunate blow got majority blow members blow position blow li nominate me take position blow leader blow opposition. Me all got 51, 52 members blow parliament. Law reform where me stop me will been making decision me will been vote yes law got changes here. Me will well position, me will got plenty knowledge, more experience, lot situation we is the appel law parliament and instability. Plenty time all man will stop point them finger say all member of parliament no got another stop causing instability and suppose you look good law the constitution do you mean? Me valata me valai serve so one member of parliament me valai understand them good law knowledge was have me valai say me valai got right diablo me valai save move to 1-4 to get a side law house from law me give me valai right diablo me valai save move me valai save expression me valai whether law government back pensa or me valai save call opposition. And emi or decisions here where me valai save lo me valai say law give me valai right ya constitution give me valai right ya lo me valai save I move lo why please me valai go me valai move ko lo or even me valai save move out all political parties where me valai establish. Suppose you may remember lo one case where me Mr. also speaker of the parliament me been move out current speaker of the parliament from President Blemblo party, current prime minister, and me terminate member party. and mi vlay bin kolo kot imi talem se right ya law constitution i give right ya lem blame se move whether or not I may want them stop law party blame or I move go the other side. Mi putum ting also I come say plan the time you stopping things say no all member of parliament or the national constitution stability but no constitution they give him right ya. All member of parliament blow this away. Only sabi move. And the many experience blue me when me got law 3 consecutive mandate when me serve law parliament ya. And for me put more sense say constitution blue me ya and me produce environment blue me inside law parliament. I suppose you want them say environment blue me inside law parliament by me change you must change them law. So that you me change them law you me change them constitution blue me but automatically environment law parliament by me change. I mean now experience blue me when me got. And also we meet them previously say we will have 51, 52 member of parliament, we later on we will have 40 years for changes avenues. I think it come one time where you may decide say the best interest for country or electorates you may where you may represent them at the parliament. I think only title law blending and sense way or start looking me happen. More you want them say you may make one change. From reason now, we will have 51, 52. Might some only change something be me lo clear understanding blue me lo last last year lo extraordinary session we will cut all thing now. You make them say we will decide we will vote yes. And you may say constitution we give him right here to all citizens and the article 86 says. Suppose you want them to change the electoral system or parliamentary system or language you me, but you need them support law referendum. And you may stop law process law or changes here where you've been decided to make them finish. And opportunity constitution me give him one greater democratic participation for citizens for decide about future law Vanuatu. Thank you.
Thank you too much, Honorable Leader Blong Opposition. And Honorable Leader, he just confirm experience plehem. Isema kol sem we time you make at Honorable Korman time he stop confirm experience plehem too. Lo time we he decide lo announce him se seat lo Honorable Parak Sope we temol navla MP back lo year 1987 and be vacant. Oli resisi kolokot semak situation Honorable Leader he talem lo time plehem ta he stop sem speaker. And you may look him say even though all political party only cat party with 7 pa imi sa vetalem sa 17A stop inside law or constitution law kita be lo mama law blo yumi hemi give him right ya power ya lo 11 MP hemi privilege will kita only cat blo only save move and place ya now yumi must come in blo yumi understand them say no problem blo all MP hemi mama law hemi allow him also honorable leader hemi talem and then place ya now you must come in lo this fella referendum lo imitache mama lawyer now blow by inomo allow him at least you may start them with the 1 MP. Thank you to my son Polita, but you start them of discussion of story and me with them experience play you time you save inside the parliament and you make up los side play me lo place me president Plovanatu chamber or chairman Plovanatu chamber of commerce and industry me own him some business in town as well too. Mr. Potier, good afternoon, welcome to panel play you me and maybe suppose you have a start them of story and or discussion los side play you lo how now political instability hemi come in lo hemi part inside lo business sector or whether hemi support them or hemi affect them hemi kakai or suppose you have a story and more side.
Well, moderator, first of all, me want to tell one big flat thank you. Big flat thank you. You've le committee blo savez invité me today lo afternoon blo me savez sharing thing lo side lo private sector mo chamber blo commerce. First of all, I think by me want to clarify one point. I think small misses where you been sub referring more say more man blow me actually me small sister blow me more me OM VAT electrics and not VAT industry, but it's okay. You me stop love no ato me same them no more. Anyway, lo side lo instability, lo side lo politique mo lo country blow me stop affecting big one private sector. In the way say you know say got one clear vision lo side lo any investment. You may need to understand them say through the changes of ministers or cabinets or changes that instability as a whole Megem se yumi no save one mod NCCT lo side lo bill or law one mi stave affecting private sectors. But me carry one classical example. You as an investor where you want them come Lovano to or invest inside lo one big fella manufacturing. You save se minimum salary today start lo 300 vatu. Mo you start making business case for you, mo business plan for you, lo export for them. All rate more low when you start active today. Tomorrow, by got one new minister come, or a new members of parliament will back at a new position, you know, by this item, they send go 1,000 vatu. Business plan for you, now he fail. Future business for you, he fail. More, Mr. Vetalem you say investors will not invest in Vanuatu. So today, one of you, Mr. Look, mainly Mr. Look say, it is seen, side YUMI or private sectors, that the decisions taken, they're more personal interest than actually a nation-building interest. And also, Bamitalem said we've got chance born before law 1980. More baby look Vanuatu, which was new British law time now, where you got full absenting, you may got 2 hospitals, you may got services. The services was really reliable, fast, and proper, even law 1980, just after law independence. Since you may start law 2024, 43 years down the track, you may got one so-called hospital struggling to remain standing, services declining, and it's not a welcoming message. I mean, no one clear message we miss have any investors come in Vanuatu and invest in Vanuatu. And in one something where you need to be very mindful of him. Or since we just became one economical forum a couple of weeks ago, and clearly you may be indicating said that the economy is done by the private sectors. You may and I may start pushing economy forward, but you may need to look at one stability. Inside of a member of parliament, and I'm respecting the leaders of opposition here today this afternoon, I truly believe also say one human being or one member of the parliament, you can be the government side or you can be the opposition side. Suppose lo hard lo you savez se bill ou law will start passing today, by savez make one affect which you think say lo view lo you as a member of parliament, representative or member of lo you look say by savez affect them economy or country or law. Micho say ami on right lo you no savez vote for them block lo you. From all man only mandatem only elect them you as the leaders for the regions. And full of time, Mr. Varem say, all man only go to parliament, only vote the laws, only vote also one block. Lotalem say, me lo government side, but me vote lo block, me lo opposition, me vote lo block. Me lo hen lote, ta you start talk to them only that, only come out lo parliament. Only tell them say, no, you me vote also one block, be no, be ting blow me. So now you Mr. go away, no, you Mr. go lo Bambay. And that Bambay, and I Mr. make him say, economy lo you meet it, me very fragile. From every law and decisions taken, sometimes only good, only proper, or sometimes only wrong. And meetings a referendum yana tete, paisa de help him you me in a way. Or some lawful some of countries, more by as an example, law Switzerland. In Switzerland, all laws are voted by referendum. The people of Switzerland, the people of Vanuatu should be able to vote for the laws that will change their life. By changing life, look at that. Changing way body act, way body sabe walk, how now body sabe deliver. More meetings say changes inside lo mama law lo yumi where you start go through lo hem where the first referendum lo yumi by come out lo number 29 May now. By anyone first step, lo changing mama law lo yumi also moderator me bin talent more leaders of opposition mentioned. More hem by helping yumi block them good or lead up lo yumi. Unfortunately, today, sometimes decision or Bamitalem say cross law man by Savenekem say by carrying one decision where in long term by Save affect them, where blood drive them economy more party. And time is type referendums an economy and a party. You may need to understand them say time you got one strong party, where one party with mindset blow it's about building a nation. You've got a strong economy by stand up here. You need to understand them, say, got full of man place today, full of man bablo, you may blow chamber today. Only invest inside the tourism, only invest inside the tour operation. Today, you may look, say, airline blow me. you go down. I mean, nothing out them him canoe, but that's an economy, and that effect of decisions making, and any decision over the last 43 years, make him say on man place plumi, or is safa now. From despite by got one solution back about, you mean the service alone time solution back about. But nevertheless, or small mama plumi or tour operator you know, only affected. So hopefully with those changes you know, by you keeping more stability and making sure that the decisions are taken. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Baudier. And we got someone have a question to ask him. Mr. Marcos leader of opposition, but by me giving first time lo navla member of panel play me where Mr. President Mr. Henry. Suppose you have talk about little bit experience play you talk little bit also one even one member of one community or one society civil servant play me and also level play get a young fella time make at political instability.
Thank you, Saleh. Thank you for giving him opportunity. Let me join him to the big man, lo front, lo historian small in relation lo topic we have instability. Everyone people issue. Me when butuh mosem se instability hemi happen for a reason, some reason hemi good, some reason hemi no good. To the past, I mean, to the speaker, to the pin, touch them small. You miss a better to say instability, and start local community too. Time you may put a member, you may for the member, you may local community too. I think local community level, you may do must decide. And a member where you elect them, him, me go in chat, me represent them, you know. So lo level lo experience lo me lo status time when me stop lo basis instability me affect them planted to all youth especially the youth stop basis government me change me delay mo allowances all student only time mo allowance only delay me affect them all studies where me lead ko lo plante only fail them all courses block so instability we want something where you must address them. You must address them. Blow, hemi no stop development also chairman blow chamber hemi talem. Time me one society where hemi encourage them, hemi entertain them development, hemi show one healthy economy, and all decision where all leaders only take them. That hemi no straight, hemi affect them. You may run so time economy hemi affect them. You me. Hemi lead ko lo poor education, lead ko lo poor health facility, some places no katol teachers, some places no katol nurses. So hemi resolve lo selen hemi no flow. Therefore, you may want them looking that suppose referendum hemi go through question where you may want them ask him na say whether or not hemi help him situation. Whether or not you may be put on plan, the emphasis you may look say by in the next 3 to 5 years after you may for them hemia by thinking blue me where you may stop thinking hem by straight or by me no open one out of the window again. But the topic flow instability you may need him blow you may stop him. You may need him blow you may when the one nation where healthy, more one nation where all citizens only protected. Only no protected some security, but health services is good, education services is good. All mama play me only happy. Services is make everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas. By you me giving time, long leader of opposition. Suppose you have talk about little bit. One now, you think say also one member of the parliament. You think say. There is some reason why one MP must run well of party blame or take one decision against them, political party blame inside the parliament.
Thank you. Lo all constitution lo political party it depends on constitution lo political party. Some political party or decision constitution pagkata in general way. Isa pilikaw tem membership lo one member inside lo political party. Also mi kabak lo tok lo mi talam previously, che freedom mi stop. Constitution mi provided. In respect lo some political party, some president, example Mimi bin stop lo leaders party. We been elected lo 2 consecutive mandate. We been come inside lo parliament as an independent candidate, and me put my affiliation lo me with them leaders party, and me decide lo me resign lo leaders party lo me put my affiliation lo me lo RTP me with them good faith. Me appreciate them leadership lo former president lo me lo party. Freedom ya constitution me give him. Right ya constitution me give him. He make him say, you as a member of parliament, you have a say right to you have a come back talk me today. And so me lo case for me make him decision say, me put my affiliation lo me lo one of political party. Me put my affiliation lo me lo one of political party, and meeting say all policies lo party ya. Emi matchem need lo people blumi lo constituency blumi. From me elected lo one constituency we come lo rural area, and all priorities lo people blumi in terms of productive sector. Meeting say lo level lo party policy emi attract them thinking mo leadership lo mi affiliate lo one party we by serve mo interest lo people blumi. And emi depend lo how the political party right and constitution blokata mol policies blokata.
Thank you. Emana, you are a monopoly, the long opposition. just give him lo side plehem, but you miss say katol navla MP. Let me touch mainly lo policy, lo party, how he reflect or how people to he represent them, whether only benefit or no, and also he can back and lo first statement plehem we. Mamalo he allow him. Mr. Potier, suppose you have touched a little bit some real experience where you want them share whether low level play you also chairman plo CCI or also owner blow one private business family play you got level business too time you got one political or time you got political instability you been touch him say hemi been affect them or hemi affect them but me want them say suppose you have a camp to help him you plo tell them one or two real situation time you got political instability.
Thank you, moderator. I think Bamikarem, I think one good example. Me been stand up as president, as chairman, lo chamber of commerce na ya, lo 4 years. Me been acting lo 1 year, and mandate lo me by finish lo sometime lo April next year lo next election lo me. For the last 4 years, me been trying lo change act lo chamber. For the last 4 years, you may try and blow sit down with them on respective ministers. Every time all ministers only come, only got all new agenda blogeta, only got all new roadmap blogeta. Then you may not have present them hack you may not have explain them. So Emi wants small something. Emi one document with him now, Mr. Regulating chamber of commerce, block out one better representation, block member blow you. Member blow you may start talking about 300,000 people. You may start talking about workforce blow Vanuatu. Every citizen blow Vanuatu, every people living in Vanuatu that has a business license, only member blow chamber. More act now, you may be making through the one reform, where you may be making one big consultation, you go through the island, blow make him show say, me capture him view blow every member blow you. Moi mi bin put on every view yana I come inside the one act where me truly represent them view blo private sectors mo need mo one them by me save performance best blo save help them nation blo mi blo build them capacity blo mi but unfortunately today 2024 still act I mean no pass lo parliament yet we mister still got all difficulty so I mean all small example we mister show lo you say despite you may start making one step forward, you may start making 2 steps backward behind. More lohen lote, you may start having a step yeah. You may not start move forward actually. And despite only just electing Vanuatu, the most happy place again on earth recently, which I'm very proud from me proud nation to me. The me also one citizen of Vanuatu, we me proud. Me should be proud town one tourist and me come for town no airport. Airport blow me clean. Me got one smile. Me say welcome and motem one sule. Welcome lo Highland blow me. Welcome lo country blow me. All road blow me only clean. You know got hole. All man only smile. Today me carry one example. All small house where you start making blow mama blow me kolo sa blow market house. One classical word where you been telling me next just before. And me look all same one refugee camp. You mean stop look all blue tarpaulin or white tarpaulin? And maybe no stop helping all mama blue me. You mean no stop helping nation blue me. How now you want to build one economy where you could be proud no nation blue you. And all area now you mean should look him about services. I'm proud. Now you walk out inside the one office, the one government, or public servant, or you come say, good morning, can I help you? You want to see that service. Today, Ms. Avetalem say, as a current leaders of opposition and former ministers of land, today, the ministries of land is a ministry where you got the most difficulty plus have move forward. Today, Ministry of Land is the biggest income of this nation. The biggest by far. Land transfers, registry. You got Amas man place, never know to will you go to bank or you borrow money plus have making business. Will you know save acquire land, will you know save make a mortgage or land logeta from you got issue at the bottom department and ministries. Me understand them say me been got one technical problem where you may been Ike, where you may been losing more data, you may been got cyclone. But every time you start going inside one department and any department as a whole, all time you got one excuse. And the excuse you now start making him say, you mean no start respecting all man place blue me no? We are here to serve all man place blue me. Me also me proud block country blue me. But sometimes I start look some decision, more action or some man who start carrying. Me sorry but tell him say, you no start respect them ground blue me no? Mo you me start look inside all attitude all man every day. All attitude where man start carrying lo FATTT lo main town lo capital blue me. Time go lo island, only no start making facile. But from one only make lo capital. Lo capital you know you got you got all man all first man will come lo no tourist come for town lo capital you know. Today you start talk about full man start complain about RSC we start affecting economy blue. Yes, and start affecting. Mo me no sabe ten no en. Pero one hand also me chairman lo chapa lo commerce me sabe talem lo UTT. C'est me proud lo look sur citizen lo uni le sabe got experience lo go work overseas lo earning better money from the time only come back lo Vanuatu li carry remittance mo li sabe building more house or li sabe building more businesses we start creating one revenue mo one economy inside lo villages lo kita tamo li go back lo island pero one nara hen you mean no sabe ask him lo private sector lo train him new man all time is carry one example minister ni di mo nu jichi minister na sa train him jichi blo hen o jichi sabe work blo him finish no jichi sabe work blo him finish so you mean no sabe ask him lo private sectors to train and train and train you mean need blo pen mo do blo yumi lo carry more skill man o li kan blo help him yumi Vanuatu blo build him economy blo yumi kamanda from or them say me bin talent lo cycle education you mean need blo uplifting education mo mi sabe CTT government bloté want them INTV bo Ministry of Education through lo Asian Development Bank mi sabe se got funding blo uplifting education blo mi what technical blo mi pe suppose mia emi roadmap lo Vanuatu government blo mi trainer man blo mi sabe exporter molgeta exporter skill then you should concentrate lo hemia from emia mi been proven finish to lo reserve banks remittance blo hemia mi start help em economy time internal economy blo mi start fail from instability. So you need to look for plan A or plan B. And you also 17A and 17B unfortunately. You need to look at different avenue. How now you must have a help economy bring.
Thank you, Mr. Bodi. Kabak lo honorable leader of the opposition. Low level blue Secretary General of Rural Development Party. Look lo party towards political instability and also referendum we must stop calling him 17A or 17B.
Thank you. I think before me kalau level lo party mi madam hatun untuk top lo Mr. Budi concern NSDP National Sustainable Development Plan we ini been launched in 2016 to 2030 lo particularly lo land some approach mo focus blow government we must go in alignment with them in STP lo antar lo economic pila im stabilim se acquisition blow land mo use blow land we must set them a platform blow economic growth. Unfortunately issue blow land blow accessibility blow you acquire one land with the more changes reform we make in 2013 2014 it really affect the economy blow yumi and they look lo 2016 kasem 2024 you establish 8 years where you launch some national sustainable development plan blow yumi with the more all issue blow instability lo parliament where yes so some way you sabe focus blow yumi start look lo different something you know kan look lo stambat tik we stop tahun ya and any time blow mi vala as all politician all elected representative we mi vala represent mo le masuk look mo consider place ya consider mo places ya lo level blow yumi lo level blow yumi lo party after lo all changes ya we ibin happen lo parliament mi vala things all advice we committee blow referendum mi been give him out lo all first place all istara mo awareness ikam kasem tidi all focus particularly lo awareness iko lo good for citizens blow yumi about information blow all changes pe oli focus mo one of the component blow change mi reform blow political party lo constitution blow party I think lo polisiana committee li no give him out all advice ya blow all political party too only must review lo constitution blow kata only make an amendment lo constitution blow kata in relation with them changes law the constitution mi vale so fortunate blow kata 8 member of parliament 19 councillors with them all chairman blow regions lo party mi vale kata national leaders retreat we stop lo santo mi vale take one step ahead lo also meeting I think first political party we mi vale make all changes ya all amendment lo constitution lo party we go in relation with them lo kata changes sandapya at the same time mi vale give him room to lo la political party or custom movement or independent candidate lo likat place inside lo party lo side lo mandate lo president lo party employee serve lo one term lo 5 years and presidency by Mr. Blo mikatry lo take presidency lo one term no and then tamu tem experience mi looking say one na ista make himself party li start divided and from leadership time successable and put pressure while leader minority plus step down yet so because of instability inside the party because of division inside the party so we will have experience lo work part we look see kata loopholes na we missing inside lo structure of the party so we will start off kata changes no we will give him one mandate lo president lo party lo serve lo 5 years after 5 years when he colonel la province we can say we will everyone all members of parliament all leaders all councillors we will feel say we will got space inside lo serve one political party with the kata changes ya lo we me talk about say president me got power to terminate one member of parliament member of parliament by Mr. Lusum Chaplin inside the constitution of party we will give him power go back lo one committee one council we will name mo say me disciplinary mo arbitration council we comprise lo chief he comprise lo leader lo woman leader lo youth all electorates lo MP lo somehow you must address them all grievances lo MP within arbitration lo party no so many of the changes we will make him and also we will give him regards lo all la political party lo ting say affiliation we will independence of alliance you come you alliance but still party respect them constitution rules and custom movement constitution rules and political party you serve party by serve you help you but you make one election but the right people you contest under law flag blue, lo movement blue, lo party blue. Tinggal kata change na nilai begini plus saya recommended member of parliament. Suppose referendum will be successfully carry out law number 29, and we will find out say got a positive impact at the level of party. And when we want lo kata places here we ikilimton instability lo party too. And time we ikilimton instability lo party, ikat stability lo party, by sabi contribute to stability lo government lo parliament. So I mean now look lo mivela. So we will take one step in advance, we will make a more better changes here, the level of party.
Thank you, Thomas Honorable Leader Block Opposition, and since only Tufalaye mentioned them, Minister Block Round, former Minister Block Round 2, si down in STAP. Last year, 2023 alone, Kolosap Vanuatu Hemikat, Kolosap, I think, between 4 or 5 Minister Block Round alone. And hemi sam lul kata one way misap sing out political instability and 5 minister lo 1 department one meeting se 5 minister block round here lo last year where you make at but ino hemi ano mo ikatol navla places all navla something to a political instability you must talk about it hemi come in line lehem and honorable leader hemi touch him how political party also him Secretary General plo party RTP hemi kamin plo make him all kita take him up all step plo accommodate him 17A mo 17B and also hemi kamin plo them talk plo acknowledge him say yes time say kat stability lo one party by save help plo kat stability lo parliament and stability inside lo government and ikutu plo harem tu say RTP hemi kat space tu plo allow him all kata navla MP where you misave say by hemi 17B now hemi kamin plo takatem time was 17B hemi address him whoever be RTP hemi kat space tu plo hemi save accommodate him and hemi one way you must look to inside lo some lo kata formation lo government tu lo history premier lo Vanuatu Mr. Potier suppose you save come in blong give him one view blow all get business houses or private sector in relation law this law referendum and 17A and 17B.
Well, also me been telling say lo side lo private houses and chamber of commerce you must look forward lo 17A or 17B lo keep him one strong stability. Also say you guys have say through lo chamber through lo business houses you must have what them all counterpart lo you mean lo overseas Australia, New Zealand, Asia and the Pacific of course lo side lo Melanesian spearhead group. More instability and must create them say time you start lo negotiate with them some partners overseas. More also say me just tell them say me been got 5 minister lo land. And me becoming one mockery. Me no say proud lo me start low place now. From say you send him one minister go overseas, he meet him counterpart lo him, or he sit down, or he make him one road, lo build him one future, lo you lo side, lo economy, lo you or infrastructure, lo build him all road, all wolf. Then 3 weeks after, you say one new minister come, different road now. You no start lo area now. So, lo side, lo private sectors, yes, definitely you start lo make him show say we got one strong and stable parliament. Lo make him show say all avenue more decision where all future minister all members of parliament we currently only stand inside. All decision we body make him say only strong and only tight. Today also we been talking about lo side lo infrastructures first time. Today we got 83 island. We got full up Fitarot. We mikla. We got Fitarot. Pe Fitarot to go where? Track is stop drive lo Pentecost ikam kasem villa. O ship is stop lo Pentecost ikam kasem villa. Tete inside lo roadmap, me no look one wolf. Me no look any infrastructures in the wolf. 83 islands. The day airline lo me come side. You me got runway, but still you me no got wolf. How now you stop serving all people blue me. And serving the people of Yumi, and man I economy. Yumi must have say the business houses, we're talking about Port Villa. Tete, fulaman lo efate, only stop importing cacao we come lo malikolo. From say you stop export lo world market, mo you stop compete lo world market. And me accessibility, and me transport. Ta you got all man lo lika mo overseas, only need lo island. Now ya by me telemon em lo kata, if they must jump lo Vanuatu ferry, you go, you stop 1 week lo island, you come back. Doesn't show good. I'm not proud of that. Doesn't reflect Vanuatu. Now all man will stop lo island, we stop send them kawai come back lo Vanuatu. all future buyer will need local island blow meet him on farmer pa oli make mol se monem e me mi economy blow mi yumi sa to ba te fate be economy blow mi sta blow island all farmer blow mi lo island they're more worthy than the people in the capital. There is more money in the agricultures and the land than in Port Vila. In Port Vila you've got so much taxes and indirect taxes that it's very hard for some of those businesses to survive. And then we start talk about all big business like all small businesses currently affected. But the people in the island, they work with the land. They've got the export, they've got the market. So I hope that that stability will make that all those decisions making when we create a roadmap and the pathways for farmer YUMI, but YUMI keep him solely strong. YUMI lo side lo private sector, YUMI start fight with them Australia. Blow make him show say pilot project lo kama, you know stop. Blow enough lo YUMI talk about pilot. YUMI try open them door now. Pilot, but YUMI pilot amas time. Enough. YUMI prove finish say kama YUMI healthy. So YUMI start with one and blow open them once and for all. YUMI got same issue with them all different New Caledonia. YUMI no have export them beef from New Caledonia as a market. But every man we come inside blow Vanuatu all tourists, we got try blow 5 kilo, they go back to New Caledonia. But you no have export, but you have send them 72 man inside one plane with 5 kilo each, which is a few hundred kilos. So all area now, you mean people try and make them show, say, you have open them one strong road, more keep him stability inside, will minister, blow make him show, say, we grow a good future.
So the business 17A and 17B or this referendum, I mean, put them there for any parliament.
It is very important, and I think you've like been having me finish law November last year. I think that was just before December. Time you've been single time cry law private sector. Well, time you've been got 27 prime minister, 43 years and 27 prime minister. Come on, you mean almost have respect them citizen of Vanuatu, and that's stability. This is what we talk about, stability. And suppose me challenge them, you will have look inside law, research and look how many prime ministers are friends and colleagues around the Pacific or Melanesians per head group only been got. You will have by surprise. You will champion one time. So I mean, you need to keep him stability. Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas, Mr. Poti. And since you mentioned him, sir, Nopol Salwa, Mr. Polsem, number 27 prime minister inside law number 13 parliament, 13 legislature. And suppose you miss a history of Vanuatu, first prime minister, he take him or drive him sheep for 11 years. And then you make a Honorable Courtman where he take him another 4 years after 1995, 1996 now. You make all changes, blow prime ministers. Ikam kasem hemia Fiji where he just kasem or hemi stop na ya Honorable Rambuka where he stop na hemi stop also number 9 prime minister of Fiji. 54 years of independence, Fiji. Solomon Islands, newly elected prime minister after we taken place plus Sokovari, number 13 prime minister, 46 years of independence. But Papua New Guinea, Honorable prime minister where he stop Noya, and stop number 9 prime minister. After 48 years of independence. And then me some of the information, blow you come in no more, blow you help him story and blow you and you me some say all the countries where Mr. Puti he tell me all get all pin touch and finish all integrity, political integrity bills inside law parliament blow get blow make him sure say got stability. For instance, government blow Papua New Guinea parliament he got one part inside law parliament starting order blow parliament and me tell him say after we one motion and me come into the parliament, standing order of the parliament of Papua New Guinea, and me say, you know, save put one motion after the 6 months. And me mean him say, you save put motion no more after the 6 months. And then yet inside the standing order of the parliament of Papua New Guinea, and me come in, but tell them say, suppose you want them out them one government, one prime minister, he must got 2/3 now. Lo only save out them. Suppose motion here, he voted by inokasem 2/3 lo member of the parliament of Papua New Guinea. By prime minister or government, he no have come out. So I me some look at the steps. Solomon Islands, you may have him say got planted now, for example, where you may have say all get the countries, neighboring countries, you may stop all cut in place finish, to make him sure say he got stability the country. Migolo, Mr. Henry Lewis, suppose you have a touch a little bit think people or youth or youth too, lo side this referendum and 17A and 17B.
Thank you, moderator. I think me Pabitalam Muslim say it's about time lo yumi make changes. Inokat issue lehem lo yumi touch him 17A with him 17B. Ting Chairman Blow, Champa hemi been make him very clear indicative. We mitalam say may indicators we hemi show him clear say yumi need yumi stratem roadmap lo nation lo yumi. And with them all data you collect them, you stop sharing yumi hemi show him political landscape lo yumi. Therefore, lo yumi make more amendments lo constitution. Mr. give him few lo me personally hemi no one issue. Hemi about time lo yumi make more amendment. The question where you make it lo behind all thing yana say whether or not all changes have hemi no affect them livelihood lo all citizens in the long run. Suppose also me bin earlier talem say government hemi yumi for them government and 52 members really stop inside law legislature only represent them yumi. Full of time me play me MP also lead up law position hemi talem but law hemi give him hemi allow him space and instability hemi part law democracy as well for good or for worse. So ikan back lo yumi all youth all community time me make them decision lo one election decision blow you hemi affect them yumi paken. So lo papers lo question that 17A and 17B. Me personally look emi about time me make them changes, but that is the question where yumi want them ask him to and sale me think say hemi one question we plan the youth that you run lol nakama lol place you haram historian whether or not 17A and 17B hemi no contradict him all narvala article lo constitution. And place na yumi come back lo yumi give him thinking say whether yumi been making one clear research lo 17A or 17B or lo yumi move with them or yumi still need more time lo yumi look them. Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas. And you will used to watch live long Facebook page, 2024 national referendum. Madam, thank you, company. You missed up join them store and me discussion. You missed up talk about highlight and political instability and also way forward political reform with Vanuatu country. You missed up call them for the first time where you make out one and where you missing out on political parties registration act. And suppose you know survey act here he come into blow ika changes to inside electoral act where he come in to give him power lo electoral commission blow de-register one political party suppose party he no comply with them political parties registration act or he no follow them and he the first of its kind lo history blow independence or since independence freedom blow milovan what way ika parliament he come in blow putum one something blow control them all political party blow yumi and one will get a honorable member blow yumi member blow parliament blow yumi lo malekula and stop now sem new leader blow opposition but you must tell them say all get only take him that step they surrender only stop surrender them all get only come in blow pass him all rule packen blow control them all kita packen inside the parliament. And this happened lo end of last year and MNA lead call lo 17A would be national referendum where you missed up call him. I think by you missed up come in blow conclude to more story and blow yumi and very important blow you may come in blow you may take him all last week but first time you want them give him time you call one member of the parliament we start with him you may lead up long opposition. Suppose you have come in blow give him view blow you also one MP and of course the level below party mo block where you lead him in relation lo this for the national referendum. Thank you where you relate lo party say you must focus lo election be political party kitchen lo kata tu you should touch him a little bit more. You been touch him planted lo kata party finish but maybe suppose you say give him any final thing you lo this for national referendum and also me understand say I think President Blow Party may not been stopping the parliament at that time, but FICE, I believe, where me been making one appeal, equal every supporters low level party we represent them to be part of this national referendum. But yes, Honorable Leader, any last remarks in relation to discussion with me today?
Thank you. I think last remarks for me, especially team law awareness law referendum law. You must give him make more people really understand him clearly. Or the changes where you may want to make him. And you must have an important plan, some rationale behind all changes. So when you may want them looking behind all the changes. Mena mi very important blo everyone must understand him. O meeting say mi vela member blo parliament mi vela make part blo mi vela finish. And each eligible citizens we make a right blo mi vote mi mas katol copies blo changes ya amendment bill ya blo mi must understand him. Lo before mi exercise right blo him. Mi vle blame part mi vla finish and meeting say mi very important blo mi must consider more kata changes. Mi want them give me one example lo same lo history blo China. Mi been part blo political meetings we lo level blo party. We make an opportunity blo mi start blo high level political meeting. One lo something we mi learn about history blo China mi world only witnessing one remarkable transformation from a relatively poor country to the world's second largest economy. And my question is, how? From? From China, we decided, by one political party, govern Mokata. And the political party, govern Mokata, make a stability lo political party, they emission success. We establish China. And suppose me land lo mo kata lisensya. All man of the things say no. I think by dictatorship lo political party. It's not about dictatorship. It's all about stability and leadership. E mena rational lo kata changes ya. And suppose me putu focus me right. Me putu mo kata personal interest me as a member of parliament or blow party kalau side tadi mi putum interest for people dia kam mi sure se bayar private sector pembali nama komplain so tete Mr. Buti ya Mr. Tok all the youth pembali nama complain from Mr. witnessing changes lo country blame. Thank you.
Thank you to Marcelo Polita Blanc opposition. Pamikirin first time lo Mr. Henry Lowe. Last comment to you and maybe emphasize lo civil society or youth play in relation to this referendum.
Thank you, moderator. Thank you, all viewers or listeners. Thank you, for sabi time, for sabi part lo panel discussion for today. I think me go in line with the one lita lo position me just mention them. I think me responsibility lo one man. All youth, suppose you establishing member block community. Spend them some time, you read them through 17A, 17P. Look, lo positive side, and before number 29 May, you make a decision to. Also, one may be telling earlier that about time you need to make them changes. But the question is, responsibility stuff lo handle you me no. And with them will study or case study you stuff harm. Maybe changes by me for better. Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas. Lo site, lo private sector, all businesses, Mr. Potier. Any final words?
Well, first of all, I would like to thank you, lo you moderator, team, lo referendum, lo sabe organize all kind panel semia, lo yumi sabe share mol tok lo yumi mo all view lo yumi. Mo lo site lo yumi lo private sectors, mo lo chamber lo commerce, mi sabe assure you all citizen lo Vanuatu and of course, our politicians, 52 members of parliament said the private sectors will always work with the government of the day and the opposition of the day. Yumi no staff lo mesa lo make him politique, yumi staff lo mesa no more lo save help him, lo make him show say the decision where only that lo yumi only staff make him did the right decisions, lo make him show say yumi save grow him economy lo yumi. And a word that Mr. all time Mr. Yusuf Mr. Talem all time lo minister lo minister allow me to make you look good. Allow me to do the dirty work and the hard work for you to get the flowers and the award. From me believe say suppose you Mr. walk hand in hand. Mo suppose you me everyone or same say me bin Talem you got one strong leader mo you me everyone you start behind the walk behind him lo push lo right direction. Vanuatu can stand. You me just prove no more the most stable place on earth. Now let's be the most stable country in the Pacific and let's grow our economy to be the destination to come because we could be the destination to come. It's just the right decisions that needs to be taken. So all the best, everyone will buy vote with number 29 May. Mr. look forward to outcome the referendum now. Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas, Mr. Podi, and all get the viewers, more listeners, you follow we join them panel discussion plot today. Me thank you, you follow from the company, blue follow, and timely me enough now, blue YUMI sub, and them discussion, blue YUMI, and you just follow me, we'll get a talk all final remarks, we come low. I'll get a member of panel, please me today. First one, me must tell him thank you, lo, honorable leader of opposition, where Mr. make him time, play him, blow joining me today, and two Mr. MSG, blow a rural development party, where me come in, blow tell him out, one party, and me stop make him finish towards all changes where Parliament and me passed him last year in relation to get the political integrity bill, more towards this for the national referendum. Thank you to my honorable leader. Start joining me tell him thank you too, Mr. Bill Henry. Me walk now, I'll get the Malaysian Spearhead Group where me sabi joining me today, on behalf of young fella and community or societies play me, and of course you make got Chairman Vanuatu Chamber of Commerce and Industry. We start with the Mr. Potier, but me must apologize to the misunderstanding me start in relation to Potier family. But me tell them thank you where you survey start with the me today. Plus have join them all get plus have come in, give him all story and play me. By me end, lo talem all say by story na me continue lo next week Sunday. You make a have la kind discussion back end and me look inside the room for my MP director to stop with me lo place. Thank you Thomas. Me look chairman blow airports Vanuatu to stop with me. Thank you Thomas lo time blow you follow we have come in and you will have one we have joined to lo panel discussion blow me lot today. Me invite them you will blow continue blow cut all kinds story and also me blow help him you me blow you me save one me you me stop make him or one them now you me stop go for especially lo 29 May you make it less than 20 days no more stop before you me call on national referendum hemelo 29 May 2024. Think about proxy me close lo tomorrow and think about two say this for referendum hemi one constituency no more you no vote you so red or blue card to you pay me national ID card so make him sure say check him you me everyone play you me everyone you me have participate take him part lo this constitutional amendment changes here whereby you me to take him part let him give out say lo this for national referendum. Me thank you lo company play you mo wish me one good flow week more continue plus stop all time with them page plo national referendum. Me tell them thank you honorable leader. Tell them plant the work plo committee to plo hemi save work lehem was squad plo awareness plo referendum to plo save work lehem. But me asking me follow plo continue plo join them page plo save kase mol keta development or story and plo national referendum whereby you me go part lehem emelo 29 May 2024.
Vote long, YUMI voice. march you